Hey guys, this is Reactor Guy again. Something happened every time I snap my fingers properly, like differently. I turn into some weird superhero. Like I think I'm like a geek who thinks he's a superhero, and I think I am, but I'm not. And then I do poses like this, like this, like this, like this. But I'm not doing that. So the only way to get out is to take off my cape, take the socks off my feet, put them back where they're supposed to be. Okay? What do you do? Those of you who hate this, sorry. Ooh. What? I don't know that uniform. Give me one sec, guys. In my battle uniform. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm in my battle uniform. I'm gonna battle the Steves. They're invisible people that roam in the night. And I'm gonna battle. Oh yeah, my cape, my cape. Look at my cape. I have got no powers. I turned back into a dopey guy with a YouTube account who's not famous at all anyway. Okay, I'm battling with these. The only weakness is Discord. Okay, yeah, I'm so awesome. Now, Steve's pillow attack. Oh no, pillow's coming. Boom. Steve, you can't get me. The pillows are my weakness. Steve's pillows. You didn't. Ringing. Not again. Why did that happen? YouTube, guys. YouTube. If you like that, forward that to your friends. Subscribe to me. You will see a lot more of him. A super stupid face. Super stupid pants. Which, in the comments below, leave in the comments what I should name that superhero. Okay? See you guys. Bye bye.